live already so that they can get connected. Let's tend to remind others. We are live already on YouTube right now. So let's remind others. If you have people you can remind, kindly send the link to them. Send to friends, to loved ones. Let them know that we are live and join the broadcast live and direct. Okay. Please, we are trying to message as many we can. Let's do so right now. Remind as many you can remind. Tell them we are live on Telegram already, and it's going to be massive tonight. We are live on YouTube rather. So let's send a reminder. We have a large community, so let's try to remind them. Let's try to remind them. Coming. Please, if you have people you can remind also, kindly send a reminder to them that we are live already so that they can connect live with us. Tonight is going to be massive. I'm going to continue sharing the secrets. There's some powerful secrets you need to be aware of, and that's what I'll be sharing tonight. As far as your journey is concerned, you have to be aware of this secret so that you can make as much you need to make in this space. There's just a whole lot to make, and doing this bull run we tend to enlighten as many we can enlighten, telling them how they can make as much as they could during this bull run season. It's been on for a while right now, and many people have made a whole lot of money. Sorry, let me open the outline. We'll be constrained tonight. This is the outline we'll be making use of, and let me open my gallery so that we can have some pictures guide us through. I have quite a number of them. Okay, so I think those are the two things we need for tonight. All right, yesterday was massive. I discussed a whole lot with you guys yesterday about what the bull run is and how you can actually maximize the bull run. And we analyzed the seasonal calendar yesterday, showing you different things that has happened at different points in time on with the seasonal calendar, how it has always been. And I told you that there's nothing really special about the crypto space. History always repeats itself. It's just about how to navigate the history. That's all you need to acquaint yourself with. Know how you can navigate and maximize the history so that history does not repeat itself on the negative side for you, and you make a whole lot during the season. And the bull run, basically I explained to you yesterday that the bull run simply means a season where all the market is going up, where the price is going up, and we have an increment in the capital gain. Basically, what a bull run simply means that season of virtually all the coins you could know, they are going up in price. Their prices are twice, thrice of whatsoever their initial what's it called, initial price was. So that's basically the bull run. And I explained to us that they use the concept of bull because when the bull wants to attack, he attacked by jumping up, like it attacked, like that vigorous attack, jump at the prey. So that's exactly what the bull means. And I told us that the bear means a season where the price is down. That is the bear season, and the bull season is a season when the price is up. And I make use of different things yesterday, which I showed you yesterday. One of them that I made use of yesterday was the US election, and I believe this one is really key. If all you get in this class is just understand this chart that I showed you yesterday about the US election and what happened after US election, and I started from backdating to 2016, 2017, up to 2020, 2021 to 2024. I showed you yesterday, explained to you that in the year 2016 to 2017, that was what is represented by the blue candle here, the blue chart here. You can see after 2016 election, you can see what happened. And it told us that we have 2 years. We have, when the bull season comes, we have what called the pre-bull season and the bull season. The pre-bull season is the season where is the year where the US election take place. Are you getting me? So please, if you are watching this video live right now, ensure to give it a like button. Give it a like button to help the algorithm. And for as many of you who have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's very, very important. Ensure you subscribe. Why are you subscribing to the YouTube channel? You are subscribing because when new content, new videos are released, you'll be the first set among the first set of people to be notified. And at times, it's Signal that is being released. Where Signal is being released, imagine you are not being notified on time. That means people will have trade and take profit on the trade before you will be notified. So turn on the notification bell, ensure you subscribe so that you can keep receiving updates from us time to time. So back to the Chat, let me explain this again because I believe some people are connecting right now who are not here yesterday. And please drop a wonderful comment at the comment section below so that we have a nice time together. You can see 2016 was the US election, and you can see immediately after the election in November, the election is always November. You can see the market keep rallying up. We can see over time that there's no time the US election owed that the market did not go up. No, it has always been a positive rally. Now, coupled with the fact that Donald Trump has always been on the positive side with the world of crypto, so you can imagine what this year will look like. That's going to be a massive bullish season. A massive bullish season in the bullish, even when it has not been the bullish season. I told us that we're in the pre-bull year right now in 2021 and 2024 is a pre-bull season, and can short 2025 will be massively bullish. So, and I told us why US play a large role in this crypto market, because they owns the major part of it, in a sense that they have the highest fund. When it comes to the economic part of it, they own the biggest. They have the major hedge funds are with them. The major market cap are with them as well. So they lead the game. So that's why you find out that majority of the time when there is any meeting, maybe FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, or CPI, Consumer Price Index, you can be sure those things affect the market a big way. Now, doesn't mean that we don't have FOMC in Africa, in Nigerian, or CPI, or inflation rate. There is, but it impacts the financial market in a little way, because the major economic power is not our country. So they are the major economic power, and they controls the large part of the economy. So that's why their news affects us so much. And I told us earlier by explaining this US election with us that you can be sure, like what we analyzed together yesterday, you see it clearly. Well, please mark my word, you can be sure the market will keep going up to the month of February. I showed us yesterday by showing us this quarterly calendar, which I showed us clearly well that if you notice the Q1 in the bull season is always bullish. The Q1 in the bull season is always bullish. And you can see it here in 2017, in the Q1, which was between January to March, we have plus 11.89% in the trend. And in 2021, which was the bullish season in the year, the bullish season in the Q1, we have 103. Let me try and on my assistive touch if I can find it tonight. I think I have one on this phone. Let me try and on it so that it can help us to navigate through, so that I can actually can see what I'm pointing at. Let me see if it will work with a live stream. Then we go ahead with it. That will help us. Let me on the assistive touch. This will help us so that you can see whatever I'm pointing at on the screen as well, and you can follow suit. Let it pop up. I'm waiting for it to pop up. All right. It's going to be massive. I have a lot of secrets to share with you, like I promised earlier. A whole lot of secrets to share with you. It's not showing up. I don't know why. But let me. Okay, here we go. It's up. Here we go. All right. So anything I'm pointing at, you can easily see it with this right now. So let me go back to the seasonal calendar. Sorry. A ad will pop up right now. Sorry, that's inevitable. Let's just go back and respect the protocol. Sorry, guys.
Hey everyone.
Just pardon.
I make money online trading.
By force, now you have to watch the ads.
Let me show you how I earn in just a few simple steps. First, you need to select your asset.
We need the app. There's no way we need the app. So it will help us navigate through the screen so that I don't just talk. You can see ahead, so you can see right now. So you can see in 2021, you can see what exactly happened in 2021 plus 103%. That was the Q1. So 2025 of this year, of next year right now, is going to be the boost season. So our own Q1 automatically, knowing the fact that there are different reasons we are basing our facts on right now. Number one is the fact that all coins, you can see I showed you some coins yesterday who are yet to break their all-time high, which means the boost season is still intact. Those coins must break their all-time high. And as far as they have not break their all-time high, we can be sure that the boost season is still intact. You can't expect the boost season to end without ETH breaking its all-time high. Impossible. That's practically impossible. You can't expect the boost season to be over without coin like Toncoin and other major coin breaking their all-time high. It's impossible. You can't expect LTC not to break its all-time high. That's Litecoin. It's impossible. You can't expect coin like which other? We have BCH, a whole lot of them which have huge funds in them. They must break their all-time high. That's number one. Number two, also, you can't we just finished the US election, and automatically you are sure that based on the fact and the news out, the US election favors the crypto market in a high way. Immediately the US election was over, I told my student in the forex signal room to start selling gold. Gold has been selling since then to now, because virtually US is actually moving major part of their assets from gold to Bitcoin, to the crypto market. So the president is a great advocate of the crypto market. So, and you see, immediately after the election, we have been on a rally, on a bullish rally. It has really been a very major bull rally. And one of the thing again, he promised to sack the what's the name of this guy? Okay, when I remember, I'm going to tell you. So a lot of things favoring us, and compared to the fact that that's how the calendar has always been, so we are sure that the bullish season continues, and we're going to have a great time with this bullish season, a great time with the bullish season. So all we need is just to position ourselves rightly, and that's what we are doing tonight. We are first analyzing the fact that, are we still in the bullish season? Are we at the right time, at the right season in the calendar? Yes. Okay, based on the news and the facts, are we in the right season? The news based on the economic calendar and likes, yes. With the US election, yes. So now, what we want to do tonight is to position ourselves rightly by finding out the right coin you can still buy, which are yet to break their all-time high. Now, the fact that a coin breaks all-time high, does that mean that the coin is not going to pump again? Absolutely no. The coin is going to keep pumping. It's still going to keep increasing in price. The fact that the coin has break its all-time high does not mean that that's the end of the coin. No, that's not the end. It's still going to keep increasing. But it's just that at least we are sure that something, a landmark has been created. And one thing I advised you guys yesterday, I told you that if you have any coin that has broken its all-time high, you can take a partial profit. I told you yesterday that nobody goes wrong by taking profit. You only go wrong by not taking profit. So you can take a partial profit over it. I'm sure that, okay, at least you have something secured in case anything happens in the market. Like what I used to say, the market is not controlled by us. We are just retail trader. How much are we trading with? Maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. You can't imagine those who are trading with with $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. Those are the major whales in the market. They control the market. So we are just retail traders. We are retail traders, so we don't control the market. We are just trying our best to push in the market and ensure that we make the best we can out of the market. Do you get my point? I hope you guys are paying something down. So looking at the Q1, we are in the right trend. And the other point I showed you yesterday, I'm still going to explain this, but let me show you the seasonal calendar in the real sense here. So let's consider 20. Don't forget that the pre-bull market is the year 2016. Sorry, am I right? I'm not. Yes, the pre-bull market is 2016 year, and the bull market is 2017. And here we have 2021 and 2024. So now you can see from the Q1 analysis in 2017, which was the bull market, we have minus 0.4, minus 0.04 in January. In February, we have plus 23%. In March, we have minus 9%, which wasn't really bad. That's the overall market analysis. But in 2021, in January, bam, we have plus 14%. In February, plus 36%. In March, plus 29%. That's massive. Massive. When I say massive, that's massive. So if this scene repeats itself, but one thing you are quite sure of is that January, February is still going to be bullish in the bull season. Underline that down. Don't forget that point. I hope some of my students are here tonight to get this fact I'm sharing here tonight. January and February, it's always bullish in the bull year. Look at January here. In 2017, we just have minus 0.4%. That means there is hardly not even impact in the market. The market was just neutral. So it didn't go down, but it was just because that wasn't even up to minus 1%. And if this, because they are using Bitcoin as a yardstick to measure what happened in the market here, that means all other coins like altcoins actually pumped that year. They didn't pump that year. And we can see here that in the boot season there, in that same year, let me put my phone on do not disturb. I think a call might just pop in. Let me put it on do not disturb. Okay, fine and good. So, and in the boot season, in the February of it, that was in the year 2017. In the February of it, we have plus 23%. Now let's go to 2021, which was the boost, another boost season. January plus 14%, February plus 36%. So what do you expect in January, February of this year? An expert, one of my mentors mentioned lately, I think around afternoon today, while I was following him up, he mentioned something. He said, you can be sure Bits is going to hit 130, 140 in Q1 of 2025, in the first quarter of 2025. But between now and then, between November and December, we may be ranging between 80K to 100K. Just ranging between that 80K and 100K. Please mark my word vividly well. But yesterday, I also advised you can take profit. There's nothing bad in taking profit. But if you don't need the money urgently and you are not in need of the money this December to buy Christmas clothes or New Year clothes, then relax, chill. Wait till around March, April before you take profit. Because by then, we have doubled the effect of whatever you see right now. But if you need the money around December, because majority of people take profits in December, the market may go down in December. It may go down to maybe 80K or so in December. Just a little downtrend in December. So if you don't take profits, you might be late taking profit. But if you want to take profit, just take a what? A partial profit. Now, that being said and done, let's go. We have analyzed the market on that trend. Let me show you something that happens. These are the major phases in the bull season. These are the phases we have. The first phase of it is always what we call the phase one, which is the Bitcoin itself. And that's what we just experienced right now. You can see that single-handedly Bitcoin alone is pumping in the bull season. It's always in phases. So some of you that have stayed long in this crypto market, who have been here maybe 4, 5 years, 6 years ago, you can testify to the fact that there are days they are seeing that only Bitcoin will be pumping, all other coins will not pump. And in the market, we call all other coin altcoin. For some of you that doesn't know the meaning of altcoins, so whenever you see us saying altcoins, we mean all that coin minus Bitcoin, all that coin. So that's called altcoin, ALT. So there are times that only Bitcoin will just be moving up and altcoin will be down. And there are seasons where Bitcoin will also be moving up, but with a little marginal difference. Maybe it's 5%, 4%, 3%, and all other coins will be flying. But Bitcoin will be on maybe +5, +1, +2. So the first phase of it is what we call the Bitcoin phase. That's the first phase. Flow of money into the Bitcoin. In any bull season, it starts with Bitcoin. And we can see lately, right now, Bitcoin has actually hit almost $100,000. $100,000. But all other coin, and the king of all other coin that leads the team in all other coin is Ethereum. I hope you are getting this, guys. Ethereum lead the season with all other coin. Ethereum on its own has not broken its all-time high. And Bitcoin has literally done almost more than 50% from its all-time high. Again, do you get my point? So now Ethereum is still down, and other cap are still down. BNB is still down. BNB has not even broken its all-time high. It has broken its all-time high based on the last all-time high created, but based on the last all-time high in the last bull season, it hasn't yet. So the first that happened is that Bitcoin moved first, then Ethereum follow, then large cap. Large cap in this sense means coin like SOL, coin like BNB, coin like not coin. Oh, my Binance must open tonight. Let me check. It must open tonight. Let's figure it out. I have a Binance on this phone. This is not the main account though, but I have a Binance on this phone. So this one must open tonight. Let me show you what we mean by large cap. I have to swap my network, and I think this is far better than network we've been using all the while. This far better. This far better. Sorry. This must open tonight. Let's go to market cap. Yes. So now let's view it from here. Thank God this opening. So let's view it from here. So now the way it happens is that the trade I'm sharing with you guys in this class are too massive. I'm just sharing script with you guys, and this is a general open class, not even the VIP section, not even any of my courses. But that tells you that we are more concerned about just making money from you. We are much more concerned about you making money from the market. That's the goal. That's the goal. There's nothing else that is beneficial to us than seeing you make money. That's just the main thing. When you make money, I'm happy. When you make money, I'm happy. Either you're my student or not, I'm happy. That's the proof that all my knowledge is not a waste. The only thing that justifies my knowledge in the crypto market is seeing you being profitable. When you are not profitable, my knowledge is irrelevant. So the only justification that my knowledge is relevant is your profitability. And that's why I'm begging you, take this thing serious. This is not a cost. Nobody's selling a cost to you. We are just explaining things. You know, one of the things that has dents our mind, or that has made our mind malfunction most times, that some people just think whenever you just come up with class like this, you just want no. We may decide tomorrow if I'm not even sure, because we'll soon be running the end time, I say end time, sorry, the end of the year discount giveaway. So I'm not sure. Tomorrow we may decide to just give discount to few people to join the VIP section, but we may still not, and just wait for December and run our normal what's it called, end of the year. And you can imagine yourself, if I'm doing this much for a free class and I'm explaining, showing you some major skill that you're not even aware of like this, what do you think those who bought the course are enjoying, or those who are in the VIP section are enjoying? Amazing, they're enjoying far more than this. One of my students asked me today, was talking about fundamental analysis, and was asking me, I want to know the coin that major whales are buying. I told him, just go and check, it's in the course on the drive. One of the things that is one of our A to Z course, that I will show you coin that someone like Binance, I will show you Binance portfolio, what they are holding. What Binance is holding, I will show you. What Bybit is holding, their portfolio, I'm going to show you. It's in A to Z course. All these things are there live. But well, that's not where we're going tonight. Don't let us go into that. That's not the secret tonight. So this is how it goes. BTC move first. After BTC, Ethereum move second. Then all other high cap, that's the major cap. We have someone like Solana, BNB, SRP, Dodge. This one is just fiat. This USDC, just like USDT here. That's why I didn't mention USDT. They are just fiat. They are used for trading. Then ADA, please, I want to beg you guys, don't joke with ADA this season. Don't joke with ADA this season. Let's check as ADA breaks his all-time high. If not, accumulate. Let's check. Let's go to 1 month chart so that we move fast. Don't joke with ADA this season. Oh my ho. For those who understand technical analysis here, for some of my students who have bought my technical analysis course, you know what technical analysis means? By just looking at this chart, you can see what you're seeing. What are you seeing already? You are seeing BOX already. This break of structure. Massive one. And the month is ending on Sunday. If you have not buy ADA, please buy ADA. You know Ada ne. For those who are Nigerian here, you know Ada ne, buy Ada, and oh, this is massive. You can see a major breakout from the downtrend here. And I posted a video in our Telegram channel, and you notice from the day I posted that video telling you the founder of Ada, what the guy is doing, the guy is going to be sitting on one of the boards on the regulation on crypto. This season, he's going to be working with the new government. I think the guy has been elected to work with the new government on crypto projects. From that day, I posted that video on Telegram. I don't want to open my Telegram. There's so many secrets in my Telegram that I don't want to open tonight. So don't let me go through that route. Don't let me open my Telegram. Some of you will be seeing so many things that you should not see. So some of you will be seeing the money that will scare you. Don't let me go to my Telegram. Let me just stop here. So, but if you go to the Telegram, when I posted that video on ADA, that the founder actually released the video, since then to now, ADA has been going up. So if you are looking for one of the coins to hold in this boost season, mark my word for it. Go ahead and hold ADA. Mark my word for it, guys. I hope you guys are here tonight. Please don't let them disconnect you tonight. If your network is not good, swap to another network. Anything that can disconnect you tonight is your enemy of progress. Buy ADA now that is $1. I will recap this part of this video when ADA breaks $2. It's a public video. Everybody is here. You can see the date right now. The date why this video is being transmitted. You can see it on my screen right here. This is on 27th of November. On 27th of November, you can see it on 27th of November. So check it out. By January, by February next year. Check it out. Don't joke. Hold ADA if you are not holding ADA. Hold ADA well. This season. You can be sure ADA is up to something, guys. It's up to something. The last time he break this, let's find out when he break this all-time high, this $3. You can see, come and see, guys. You can see this was in 2021. That was the boost season in 2021. Automatically, the way the market operates is that it's expected that doing any, I'm just being concerned that people are connected tonight. Please stay connected tonight. Don't, as a matter of fact, when I'm done with this video tonight, go back and sit down again and rewatch this video. I think I'm going to share this one publicly. I'm going to share this video publicly to students who didn't join. But sit down and watch again, and don't let any devil disconnect you. Hey man, you don't get it. You don't get it. At times when I'm sharing things that I'm so confident in like this is how I speak. My student can tell you. This is how I speak when I'm confident in something. Nevertheless, this is not a financial advice. So that I don't say, they have not say, no, this is not a financial advice. Everybody takes his own risks at his own leisure. But I can tell you, with analysis, with everything. So the last time this happened, that it breaks this 3.1 was was the last bull year. That was in each bull season. So just imagine you buy that with $100 right now. I think I need to put some money on Ada. What do you think, guys? I'm thinking it. Maybe I should just tax some at this level. And $1 is not really a bad deal. Earlier this month, Ada was as low as let me see what it was. As earlier this month, it was on $0.3. So it has done more than 100%. You can see it has done more than 198% from where it was earlier this month. So what's bad in it? If I just put like maybe $100 or so on Ada, and let's see where it goes. Fiat, she gets, they are not part, you can't count them. SOL, that's number 3, right? BNB number 4, SRP number 5, Dodge. So if you can hold that, hold this, and you can see current market trend right now. Look at the current pump in the market. ETH is pumping. ETH is doing plus 9% at the moment. BC is doing plus 4%. ADA is doing plus 10%. Like, it's leading the current pump right now. And SRP doing awesomely well. For those who still bought SRP when it went down late yesterday, you guys are enjoying right now. Maybe the next time you see SRP, maybe we're coming on $2. And I told my student personally in the signal room, when you buy SRP, don't neglect SLM. Let me show you, for those who are not in my signal room, this may be a teaser to you. A teaser to you guys. This is how we make money here. There's no mini here. We make money here 24/7. You can see it yourself. I just want to show you when I told the student. Let me show you. It's just a teaser. See what I mentioned? That was on which date was that? This November 20, right? So that was like 10 days ago. This should be November 18. November 18. This is our signal room. You can see right here. We have over 202 students or 202 traders who have subscribed to the signal room here. This is just the first signal room. We still have more entry. Buying SRP at $1 is a golden entry. Chances of SRP hitting its all-time high very soon is very high. Expect $1.5 soon. And SRP did exactly. And I said, don't also forget SRP twin brother is SLM. You have them. Please, guys, you have them. Please show me. So that, okay. I'm trying to find the SRP and what pops out immediately after them. So let me put my phone on silent. This person is likely to call my other line just now. Let me quickly put it on silent so that we don't get disturbed. Sorry, guys. All right, you can see here. Okay, this was the ETH testimonial. I just need to show you. See SLM here. See, one of our students here made massive money on SLM. Another of them make. Okay, you can see SLM. Immediately I posted it, SLM did like more than 100% from our entry. So what am I trying? Or what brought us here? Or what am I trying to say here is that? Sorry. What am I trying to say is that SLM will also move when SRP move. SRP is leading table right now. I'm sure SLM is just somewhere around there, which is going to also pump. So these are the major market cap that are going to do massively well this season. They are going to do massively well this season. Immediately the market is pumping. So don't forget, that's one of the coins. That's not all I want to tell you. There's still more coins I'll be showing you guys, but one of the coins you plan to hold this season is SRP XLM, ADA, and don't forget, most importantly, ADA is expected to revisit its all-time high. SOL already broke its own all-time high. ETH on its way to break its all-time high. BNB virtually on its way also to break its all-time high of the last bull season. But based on the current all-time high, it created, I think I think last year or so, it has already broken that all-time high. Sorry, what I mean is that it has broken the last bull season all-time high, but yet to break the last all-time high it created in the month of that was in the month in June this year. It went 721. So it's about breaking this all-time high again. Expect to break the all-time high soon next. Expect to break that all-time high soon next. Then that's on BNB. SOL already did that. SRP did that already. SRP has not broken its all-time high. the all-time high of SRP is 1.96, but I'm sure it's going to do that as well. But even if it break this all-time high, maximum profit you'll be making on spot is maybe 50% profit. So that is not really too well. The one you should be targeting right now is if this guy had that breaks all-time high, that's a massive money to be made. You can be sure of Ton is not going to be lagging behind. My boy Ton, I've been holding Ton for a long while, and Ton is still expect also to break his own all-time high. You can see SLM, that guy. You can see that guy I'm talking about, SLM. Even while SRP is pumping 10%. You can see SRP here doing plus 9%. See SLM here, that guy is already doing plus 14%. That guy is just too much. You can see this guy is going to break his own all-time high very, very soon. So if you are holding, you can hold it. If you are holding at 0.5, be ready to sell at 0.7 or 0.8 after making like 50% of your money. Let's go back to class. Leave those things. Let's go back to class. Learn first. Don't worry, because some of you, while you are here, basically just the coin you want to buy. Nothing else is bringing you here. Just want to know which coin should I buy, which coin should I not buy. That's why you are here. So the large cap are going to pump next, and next on phase 4 of it is that all other coins are going to pump, all other coins. So when we talk about the first set who is trying to make some move here, Ton, XLM, you can short those ones are going to pump massively. Or then Shiba Inu will also do well. It's going to do well. DOT is going to do well. Then the large cap, I think it's top somewhere around here. You can show, and this ICP. Then other coins means all other coins that are listed also are going to pump and do excellently well. But how far they will go, we can't tell. But they're going to be the last, which is going to be the third phase of the movement, in this bull season. So guys, and the last one, let me check the last one I mentioned, which is altcoin, which I mentioned all other coins are also going to pump in this bull season. So now BTC has pumped, fine and good. As well, some of them have broken their all-time high, and I've shown the one that has not broken the all-time high that has a high potential of breaking its all-time high, which are actually to hold. Please don't forget, hold ADA for the purpose of you making good money on that. So let's go back to our outline that we have been using. I've not shown you that. Okay, I think I've shown you that SLM how it pumped massively well. Then the SRP testimony that comes, I think, few days after it. Some of my students that you see, this was when SRP was on 1.2. You know, I thought I was going to hit $1.5, and SRP did well and it's my target of 1.5. SRP overdo here. SRP already did 1.418 here. See, one of my students that made massive money on it, and here it hit the $1.5. You can see it here 1.5, and you can see that was just few days after I mentioned it. You can see it here. I mentioned it on the 20th, and shortly after that, I think 3 days after, SRP did well by breaking its all-time high there. You can see, I want to show you the date there. That was on Friday, last week Friday. That was like 23rd of November, and did well, and people made massive money on it. And I told some students also buy this coin. Why am I showing you coin in the signal? Some of you are just because some of you are on our free our free slot now. So am I taking to signal to show you some coin? Guys, it's okay there. Don't go for that. That's okay. I'm not going to move further. So let me go back. So I've explained this to you. This done already. The concept of all time I already told you. Coin to take profit on I already told you. Coin to hold I already mentioned ADA. So let me give you more coin to hold. Don't worry, it's just my way of just giving back to you guys. Thank you for following me all this while, and thank you for connecting. It's just my way of telling you thank you. So now you are holding ADA. Dodge is still a good one. You can still hold Dodge. That guy, I think that guy is still expecting. Dodge is still expecting to break his all-time high. My target on Dodge is $1, nothing short of that. So you can show it's on 0.4 right now. So buying Dodge is a good one. Avas, this guy has been slowly down for a while. We don't know what it's all up to, but if you can buy, fine and good. And you can look at the trend it's forming here. It just reversed back on this support zone. This is a major support zone for ADA. We don't know what's all up to, but if I will enter this trade, I will make sure that it's close above this resistance. Then I can regard this as a retest. Don't forget, it's breaks out from here right now, break out, then this as a retest. And with this retest right now, if this monthly candlestick close above as it stands right now, which chance that because the month is closing on Sunday, the month candlestick closing on Sunday, then this is a good buy entry for me. Because it already retest the breakout. This is where it break out here. It's break out with this green candlestick, came back for a retest, and after the retest, you can see it's right here, right, rebouncing back. So we don't know, maybe it's likely going to break the $147, and I'm sure this $147 also should be in November 2021. You can see virtually November 2021 also. Let me trace back to it. Just long press on it. You will see that was November 2021. You can see that was where every one of them break their all-time high, November 2021. So it's expected that this guy also will likely break his all-time high. So holding Abbas is not a bad thing. SLM guy, hold this guy tight. I don't know, his competition against SRP is highly high. Not all people know this secret I'm sharing with you. Some people just do when SRP pump, that's fine. And SRP has a lot to do with American government. It's tied to their government. So that's why the guy is doing excellently well this season. And the lawsuit against SRP has been won. So there's SRP won the lawsuit. So there's nothing to fear. Maybe there's any lawsuit. Maybe some of you heard there was a lawsuit. There was a lawsuit, but already won the lawsuit. So what are you waiting for? Hold this guy if you can hold it well. Then BCH, looking at the monthly candlestick, you can show we're on a good trend. The trend is a positive trend and see on a high trend. Let's look at the 1 week candlestick and see what we can get there. On the 1 week chart, you can see it's not really bad. This guy has been up for a while right now, so you can show this guy also is able to do at least maybe 2x from where it is and break his own all-time high. Let me see when this all-time high was created. Hopefully maybe it's also November 2021. It was in 2021 but not November actually. And one secret I also need to share with you tonight is that not all coins are going to break their all-time high in that October, November. Some will do earlier, break their all-time high earlier, but the earlier might be anywhere in 2021. I'm sorry, in 2025. Don't forget that 2025 is a boost season. So anywhere in 2025, you're going to break the all-time high. It may be earlier. Some I did in April, some I do in May, some I do in October, some I do anywhere within that range. But expect them to break their all-time high. So for some of you that have not entered some project yet, it's still a good entry for you. If you enter right now, you are not entering wrong. Are you getting me? It's not a wrong entry, it's a good entry. You can still put in now. Enter some of these projects we are showing you tonight, and there's no way. I mean, when you start early in crypto, they will tell you that the best way to navigate through the system is by starting with coin who has the highest cap. They are less risky. And DOT, we don't know what's all up to, but we are sure of those one I've shared with you. Nier and Pep, please don't joke with this coin. It's just like the assistant brother to Dodge. If DOT break his all-time high, this guy has actually broken his own all-time high, though I'm not sure this guy was not out in 2021 in the last boost season, but you can see right now it's trending on the all-time high, and you can see looking at the monthly chart, you are sure that it's still a bullish trend. So this guy is still going to do exceedingly well. Well guys, I think I've spent 45 minutes in this class just pointing out everything to you guys. So what I'm going to do right now is, can I just have 1 or 2 questions? Let me just attend to 1 or 2 questions tonight. So please make use of the comment section below. Kindly post your question. Do you have any question? I'm going to stop here tonight, and tomorrow is going to be the last day. I'm going to be talking about what whales are buying, investor mindset, analyzing the correct market section, and is the bullish season over? Where actually answer the question is not over. Then if I have more questions from you guys, yesterday some of you asked me some things you want me to talk about in the bullish season, but I couldn't find them on the comment section on the YouTube, though we had a lot of network interruption yesterday. So what I'm going to do tonight is go to my WhatsApp chat. All of you have my WhatsApp number already, +234 for those of you who are not in Nigerian, 8162053748, +234 8162053748. So go straight to my WhatsApp, drop anything you want me to talk about tomorrow. Kindly go there right now, talk about it. If you want me to talk about anything tomorrow, kindly go about it in the last phase of the class tomorrow, which is going to be the last day on this bullish season. Anything you want to talk about, kindly go on my WhatsApp right now, drop the question there. But while we are here, if you want me to answer any question, you have any question based on all I've explained to you tonight, kindly use your comment section below. You see the comment section, kindly click on it right now, drop your question very fast. In next 13 minutes, I'm going to round up this class by 9 on the dots. In next 13 minutes, let me attend to your question. Kindly drop the question very fast. Who is dropping the first question very fast? Please kindly drop the question very fast. Let me see 1 or 2 questions. I'm on already. Please kindly very fast. Are you there? Drop your question. Any question you want me to attend to tonight? If I can just get 1 or 2, let me attend to them as regards this boost season. Waiting for your comments, guys. I'm waiting for your comments, guys. Kindly drop it, so that we have 1 or 2 things to just attend to, so that we can cap it off tonight and call it a day. And a wonderful section indeed. Do you have any question? Do I have any? Drop it on the YouTube, not on WhatsApp. I'm not opening my WhatsApp right now. Drop it on YouTube, right here on the YouTube. Use your comment section below. Kindly drop your question very fast. Nothing is popping up. Is it a network or you don't have any question? I've told you the coins to buy already. Tomorrow I'm still going to be showing you more coins. There's some coin I'm holding that I want you guys to also hold. Okay, the assistive touch. Sorry. So there's some coin I'm holding that I want you guys to also hold. I'm going to be talking about that tomorrow. Do I have that? Do I have anything in the comment section, or you guys are dropping this mean I'm not seeing it? Or please just go on WhatsApp. Okay. It's popping up right now. Wow, a lot of question. Sorry, it was the network. This is too much. I'm not sure I can extend to all this. Please, what coin can you say? What can you say about curve? Curve. Which one is curve? Send a DM on WhatsApp. Let me know what you mean by curve. I'm not seeing all my comments. Is it me or the WhatsApp or this? I don't know. I'm not seeing them, and it's not giving me the option of seeing, or maybe it's me that I'm not navigating well. Sorry. Okay. I think we'll make use of WhatsApp. Just go to WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp. Let me on my WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp. Kindly chat me up on WhatsApp. Drop your question. I just want to attend to one or two. It's actually, I don't hold a class without without attending to question. That's not called for as a teacher. All right. Anyone dropping any question tonight? Anyone? I know if you go to WhatsApp, you actually have to reconnect on YouTube. Okay. We do it this way, guys. Not to waste our time. Let's just do it this way. I don't know what's happening on YouTube. I'm not seeing the comment section. Tomorrow, I'm going to make use of the Chromebook of the system so that maybe that will help me the more. What we're going to do is, let's do it this way. Just drop your question and the comments and what you want me to talk about tomorrow. Please kindly do that. Drop it on WhatsApp for me so that I'll get them right there on WhatsApp. Then tomorrow, I'm sure I'm going to talk about them. The questions, anything you want me to talk about, anything you want me to navigate through, drop it on WhatsApp. And I'm sure tomorrow I'm going to be talking about them. Let me think if I can just take one more point tonight. Is there anyone I can talk about tonight again? Not really. I'm going to talk about everything tomorrow. Don't worry. Let's just leave everything to tomorrow. I'm going to talk about everything tomorrow. So, guys, thank you so much for connecting tonight. Drop your question, everything you want to ask. Just drop it on WhatsApp for me. Tomorrow, I'm going to attend to them. Okay. People are dropping question on WhatsApp already. Sorry. Okafor. Okay. So, what can you say about curve? Well, curve. Can we check curve? Let's see. Is it available on Binance? CRV. Sorry. Okay. CRV coin. Let's quickly analyze that for her. She has already asked the question. Can we analyze that for her? Just give her as a bonus tonight. CRV. Let's check CRV. Let me check it. It's available on Binance. Let's see what's happening. Let's see the trend. Let's see the market cap. Let's see what is CRV. Let's open it. Let's just analyze that for her tonight. Looking at CRV, you can't really see anything major on CRV right now because it's about breaking out. It hasn't break out. This is on 1 month chart. You can see it's about breaking out, but looking at the technical analysis, there's nothing really major on CRV for now. There's nothing really major. It's far low. It's still on less than $1. And the last time it breaks the all-time high was when it was released. You can't count this one when the coin was released as all-time high. This is not the all-time high. This is a fake all-time high. But when you look at, let's see at this 6.8, when this 6.8, this 6.8 was in 2022. In 2021, we can't trace any all-time high to it right now. We can't say it won't pump. We can't say it will pump. But now, the other way to justify, let's look at the market cap of this CRV. Let's look at the market cap of CRV. For the sake of our sister, let's just analyze it. If you also want me to analyze any coin for you tomorrow, don't worry, I can do that just for your benefit's sake. Let's look at the market cap of CRV. Where can we find CRV? Let's flip through. We can see CRV anywhere near. The market cap of CRV. Is it anywhere near? You can see it's just too far down. The guy is not even close at all. Well, I won't say it won't pump. I won't say it will not pump. I will only tell you that just hold with the money you can afford to lose. We can't find it anywhere near. It's not even, I'm not sure it's in first top 50, first top 30 or 20. So we can't say it will pump. We can't say it will not pump. But just hold with any money you can afford to lose. That's on CRV. I can't say much on it for now. So what can you say about BTTC? Boss, can we take profit on Shiba Inu now and buy again? Why not? You can take profit if you have made good profit or take partial profit. What can you say about BTTC? Let's see BTTC. If it's something, let's see it technically and also see it. Or should I be holding a technical analysis class every month on YouTube? A live class on YouTube every month? I know majority of you say yes, but I won't answer now. BTTC, looking at this guy, with what we are seeing right now is on uptrend. On a monthly chart, it's on uptrend. Let's see on the weekly chart. Let's see. On the weekly chart, it's still on uptrend as well. we can see it's on uptrend. So technical wise, looking at it, it's good to go. This guy might likely break this high here. It's going to break this high here. Technical wise, it's going to break this high that was created in let me see the month that high was created in it's going to break that high that was created in 2024, in March 2024. It chance that it's going to break this high, this 0.00220. It's up to it already. You can see there was, when it break the structure here, did it came down for a retest? There wasn't really a major retest, but it may still come back down to this next support line like a retest before it keep pumping up. There hasn't been a major retest. So, but hopefully, if it didn't get to that point, it's going to get to this 162 as at least touch that resistance line before retracing back downward. But if you have to look at this BTTC on market cap, that's fundamental wise right now. Let's see BTTC on market cap. Is it anywhere near BTTC? Is it anywhere near? I think that guy is far down below. Market cap wise is far down below. So you can still regard as shitcoin, as all other coin. It may and it may not. We can't really see anything major about it. So we can't really see anything major about it for now. Tonight, we can't really see anything major about it. We have done that. Anyone at this season, boss, okay, this is one of my strengths again. At this season, boss, they're still going to be at this season, they're still going to be deep. Absolutely, you can't talk about deep right now. The only thing we can talk about right now is that there's going to be bullish trend. Deep, no deep. There can only be a retracement, which is LD. Like yesterday, now you can see. Let me show you BTC. There can only be a retracement, which is LD, for the market to keep going up. You can see right now there was a retracement yesterday. Let's look at 1-day chart. BTC came back to this point here. BTC is so bullish right now on 1-day chart. You can expect BTC to come back to 100k very soon. Yes, with what I'm seeing here, it's going to come back to 100k. Mark my word, it's so bullish on one, even on 1 hour. I think it's so bullish on 1 hour. BTC is going to hit 97k very soon, if possible tonight. It's going to hit 97k tonight again. It's so bullish on 1 hour, on 1 day, on 4 hours. Expect to, at least it's not going to hit 97k. Expect to touch this 96.8. This 96.8 resistance is going to touch it very soon tonight. Tonight, just wait and see. It's going to touch it tonight. So yesterday BTC came down as low as let me 90,000 came as low as that, which was just a retracement. So there can be a retracement like that. Market just pull back a little and keep moving up. But a dip, absolutely, apparently no. There's no dip for now. There can only be a pump right now. So that for now. What can you say about dogs? Well, the only thing I can say about dogs is that wait for turn to point. When turn point, dogs will pump. When turn coin pump, dogs are likely going to pump. They are going to pump together at the hot season. They are going to be the last phase of this bullish trend. So dogs are going to pump at the last phase of this bullish trend. You can expect dogs to also pump. All right, guys, I think I've tried enough. I've shown you a lot of secrets tonight, and I've helped a lot of people tonight. And that's the major thing we tend to do. That's what we glory in, the fact that we can help a lot of students and help them make profits. So I'm going to be stopping here tonight and meet you guys again tomorrow 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. on the docs. Please endeavor to chat me up if there's anything you want me to talk about, any question you want to ask, anything you want me to add to the outline. This is what I'll be talking about tomorrow. You know, I've talked about coin to hold. I'll also be talking about coin not to hold tomorrow. There's some coin that you should not hold. No matter how you feel about the bully season, don't hold them. And I'm going to be analyzing the coins market trend tomorrow. And I'm also going to tell you what the whales are buying at the moment. And I'm also going to be telling you the investor mindset tomorrow. I'm going to show you those things tomorrow. Thank you guys for joining tonight. It's nice time with you guys tonight on this live section. We have a very perfect network tonight. Kudos to Airtel. Airtel did well tonight in Abuja. I don't know about you, but they did well, far better than MTN yesterday. Thank you so much, guys, for connecting tonight. I love you guys so much, and I'm going to be bringing the best for you all the time. Please, lastly tonight, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, the best way to tell me well done and thank you tonight, kindly hit on subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. It won't cost you anything. So why don't you want to do that? Just do that for your good. At times I drop signal on YouTube. And if I drop signal on YouTube, if you don't turn on the notification bell, you won't be among the first people to get notified. If you are not notified, there's no way you trade with the signal. There's no way you trade. See, imagine those contents tonight right now. Imagine you have access to them. If I'm doing live video, not even live video, just recorded version. So be among the first to get notified when videos are released. Turn on the notification bell and please like our video. Watch videos on our YouTube channel. They are all free. We are just releasing content out there. Why we are doing this is just to reach out to more bigger audience. And for some of you that are not on our WhatsApp, Telegram, and do just chat me up on WhatsApp +234 8162053748. +234 8162053748. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Easy, that's my hotline. Immediately your chat will be attended to on the spot. Thank you so much, guys, for joining tonight. I love you guys. We have a whole lot to share tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be massive, and do have a wonderful night rest. Ensure you subscribe right now and have a wonderful night rest. Thank you, guys.